Good morning, class. Today we shall do origami. You can take any colorful paper, you can take marble paper, you can take colorful art paper, but here I am showing you the craft work using normally a paper from a copy. So how to do that? First we need to make the paper square. How to make the paper square? Just see. First we shall hold the paper this way. Hold this corner and bring it to this side. Here you can see, here we shall match these two lines and press them very gently this way. See, this way. Now we need to cut the extra part of the paper. So how to do that? We need to fold it. As you can see, I already have done this, and now we need to cut this portion this way. Now it will looks like this. So this is a square paper. This is a square paper. So what is the next step? Now we shall hold this paper this way, and then we shall fold it side by side. This way we need to join the corners, and again we shall maintain this line this way. Now we need to fold it. Put your hand this way, use your finger and hold the point and maintain this line. Hold it and press it. Do it nicely, no need to be so hurry. So this way. The same thing we shall do with the other side. This way. So it will looks like this. So see, this way. Now there is a line. Can you see that line? Yes. Now we shall fold it from this side. Which side? That open side. This way. Right? Again we shall fold it this way. Right? Flip it. Do the same thing this way. Then this way. So this will looks like this. Now fold this part, press it, open it. Now the next step, I shall open this portion. Here you can see we made one line here. Now we need to do this. Flip it again, fold that part this side. Now open it. Please follow this video. Please follow the steps. You can do it very easily. Now there is a part that is open here. So this way. Hold this way. This way and this way. So this is the thing you shall do. Now we need to put one side down. How to do it? Put your finger here and down here. This way. Right? And again put your finger inside. Now we shall do it this way. So this is a duck. This is a duck. It looks very nice. So try this at home and enjoy the SUPW class.